Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from linked list, which is reverse doubly linked list. Okay, so if you know the structure of doubly linked list, how it is, you will have node and which will have two links. One is previous and second is next. Okay, so for example, if you have doubly linked list something like this 100, this is the memory address of the node. Okay, 100, 200, 300. So the first node of the linked list, so head will point to this. Okay, so the first node of the linked list, its previous will point to null and its next will point to this address. Okay, this 200 will be here. Then second, for second node, here it will be 100 and here it will be 300, and same here it will be 200 and here it will be null. So when you wanted to reverse the linked list, doubly linked list, you just swap the pointers. Okay, its link reference means previous will become next, next will become previous. So if you see this one, how you can swap it using the temp variable. Okay, so how you will do it, see, just take one temp. Okay, initial, if you see the first node, temp equal to head, and take one current also. So head is pointing to this first node, right? So you just point current also. So current will also point this first node. So current previous, okay, put that value into temp. So now temp is null. Okay, and now whatever you have in current next, you just put that in current previous. So current next is 200, so now I'll put here in current previous. Okay, and whatever I have in temp, I'll put that in current ka next. So this null will come here. Okay, now current equal to current previous. Okay, so current ka previous is 200, so now current will point to this node. Now again do same thing for this node. Current previous equal to, means put the value of current previous into temp. So now temp will be 100. Okay, whatever you have in current next, you put that into previous. So here it will be 300, and whatever you have in temp, just put that into the current next. So this this one will have 200. Okay, and then current equal to current previous. So current previous is 300, so current will come here. And again do the same thing. Temp will have this 200, this null will come here. Okay, and then this 200 will come here. This one will be 200, and then return temp previous. So what you have in temp, 200, so go to 200, and what do you have there in previous, 300. So you just return 300, that will be your head. So means this 300, this node will be your head, return it. If you form this right properly, how it will be, it will look something like this. First you will have 300 whose previous is null. Okay, and in its second, it's pointing to 200, and then the 200 node, okay, its previous will be 300 and its next will be 100, and here in 100 node, its previous will be 200 and next will be null. Okay, so you can represent it something like this also, two-side arrow. So that's it. And if you see the main method here, okay, so main method, what it is doing, it is inserting a few nodes in a linked list. Okay, and then it's printing it, and then it's reversing it, and then again printing it. So if you see the insert code, okay, so in insert, what is happening, first it is creating new node, and it is checking if head is equal to null. It means if it is null, it means the linked list is empty and you don't have any other node. Okay, so you just return directly that new node. Otherwise it will have one temp variable which is pointing to head, and then it will traverse that temp variable till end. Okay, when temp next is equal to null, and at that time it will just put that it will append that new node variable. Okay, so temp ka next to new node, and new node ke previous mein temp, and return head. So that's it. Thank you.